Say cheese. Cheese. Say please. Ang galing naman. Lily. Pip, 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 pip. Oh, Marcus naman. Pip, 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 pip. Flying kiss ka daw. Okay, beautiful eyes. Hey.
Ecco Marcus, il suo primo giorno di asilo. E lo zainetto. Ciao, ciao. Vai Marcus, vai. Andiamo, andiamo, andiamo. Andiamo, andiamo, andiamo. Vai. Vai, vai, vai. Andiamo, andiamo.
Ha? Italian? Ito, menu na po. Menu na po. Galing-galing naman ni Marcos. O, kumakain mag-isa. Tagal naman sumubo.
Pepe, Pepe.
Ay, no. Close your eyes. Close. Close. Up. Down. Nini. Please. Cheese. Cindy.
Mama,
Cindy.
mama,
Grazie.
mama.
Grazie. Nonna. Sleep ka na daw. Bye-bye. Flying kiss. Beautiful eyes. Bring them in the balcony. Bring them in the balcony. Dai. Say cheese. Marcus, what are you eating? Huh? Two hands. What are you eating? Always eating. Marcus. Marcus. How's your school? No? Did you have fun? Yeah. You gave kiss to the maestra. You love your maestra, your teacher. Nah? Maria Teresa. You like her? Huh? Mommy, open for you. Look. What's in here? What's in here? Open it, open it. What is the sound of the unicorn, Marcus? Good boy, Marcus. Marcus. Man! Wow! What are you doing there? Come here. Come out here. Come on. Come. Come on, baby. Fai un salto. Dai un bacio. Bravo, Marcus. Do you want to go to school? Do you want to play with other kids? Huh? Where are you going? Tomorrow you're gonna go to school? No! Oh my God! Jessa, Marcus, what's happening? You want to say hello? A flying kiss ka daw? Flying kiss? Ano daw ang sabi ng horse? Ng cow? Ng bird? Ng bee? Snake? Wala na, pare-pareho na lang ang sound. Chabua in the tummy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Marcus, ano sabi ng horse? Cow? Sheep? Cat? Dog? Very good. Bird? Any Marcus? Marcus! Hi ka daw, dali. Marcus!
Hello. Hello. Wala nahiya. Hello. Hello. Hello po. Hello po sa inyo. Wala nahiya, Arte. Ika dito. Dapat tayo maging hindi mahiyain sa camera. Pari ko.
Ano daw yung kinakain ni Marcus? Kalabasa. Yum-yum? Ah.
Okay, focus ka, Marcus. Balik lang natin mamaya.